Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this XIAOMI smartphone. Begin by opening Settings. In them you need to scroll down and tap on Apps section. Then click on Dual Apps, over here, and select Create. Finally, just click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone. I will go with Facebook. Then you can adjust all of those options however you wish to. I will go with Default App, then Dual App, and Always Asked. When you're ready, click on Home button, and when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete it, you need to go back into exactly the same settings and tap on the same No Blue switcher. Then select OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!